Good afternoon, sir. Ang presentation ko na ito ay tungkol sa parallel and distributed system. Introduction to parallel and distributed system. And computing. Computing is the process to complete a given goal-oriented task by using computer technology. Computing may include the design and development of software and hardware system for a broad range of purposes, often consists of extracting, processing, and managing any kind of information. Parallel computing system. Parallel computing system are the simultaneous execution of the single task, split up and adapted on multiple processor in order to obtain result faster. The idea is based on the fact that the process of solving a problem usually can be divided into smaller tasks, divide and conquer, which may be carried out simultaneously with some coordination. Parallel computing. The terms parallel computing architecture sometimes used for a computer with more than one processor, few to thousands, available for processing. The recent multi-core processor, chips with more than one processor core, are some commercial examples which bring parallel computing to the desktop. Parallel computing, multi-core, and multi-processor. So, ito po yung example, yung image. Meron po tayong tatlong core ng processor. Ito ang single core processor, kung saan meron siyang processor. Ito ang system hardware. Yan, yung system hardware. Meron siyang, ang single core processor, meron siyang processor. Ayan, single processor core. Tapos, ito naman yung isang example, multi-core processor. So, yung processor core niya is dual na. Sa kabila naman, meron tayong multi-processor. Meron siyang processor 1 at meron din siyang dual processor core. Sa baba naman niya, merong processor 2 at merong dual processor core din. Distributed system. We define a distributed system as one in which hardware or software components located under core computer communicate and coordinate their action only by passing message. This simple definition covers the entire range of system in which network computers can usefully be deployed. Distributed system. So, ito yung distributed system. A distributed system involves multiple entities talking to one another in some way, while also performing their own operation. So, ayun na po yung aking presentation sa parallel and distributed system. Thank you. Ako po si John Paul Mahon.